Hi, I just want to show you there something today that popped up. Company that wanted to transfer ITM coordinated drone survey to Irish Grid. They went off surveying ITM. When they came back, they realised that they wanted to put it in Irish Grid for Irish Water or whoever it is they wanted to send the survey to. So it's a very easy process done on XPad, and I'll just show you here now what it looked like. So if we go into a typical survey there, and just looking at this plinth here that was surveyed on site, if we tap the point 140 and ID it, you can see easting is 680987 and northing is 711667. So that means it's ITM coordinates. I know it is anyway. So that is the point we want to transfer, and all the other points. So it's as easy as this. So you go back into, press X, go back into coordinate system of the job, and you can see on the top cartographic system is in ITM. Now we want to tap on that and tap tools, load predefined systems, and in the list we want to look for Ireland, and there it is. So there's two options there for survey system, and one is Irish Grid and the second one is ITM. Now we want to change it to Irish Grid, so tap on Irish Grid. So all that system is predefined, and name, projection, date, ellipsoid, all there already. So you don't have to do much more than just accept, go back, and if you go back into CAD, you'll see this point here, point 140, same point again. If you ID it there, all the points have been transferred, easting, northing, and elevation into Irish Grid. So that can be then sent from here onto by email, export and share, DXF 2018 version, code elevation, accept, share file, Gmail, and type in your email address and then send it off, and that is it. So thanks for having a look at the video. If there is anything else that pops up that you want to find out or you want a quick video on, let me know on roch@hitechniques.ie. that's Rocket Hitechniques, or call me on 086 790 4243 for any tips and tricks. Thanks.